Pokayoke and Jidoka are two important tools in lean manufacturing to focus on eliminating the defects and improving the quality. There are some subtle differences and a few similarities between Pokayoke and Jidoka, and that's what we are going to learn in this particular video. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anant, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner, and welcome to Kaizen Club. In this video, we will analyze the differences and similarities between Pokayoke and Jidoka. For starters, Pokayoke means mistake proofing or error proofing. The idea is to prevent the defects from arising. Jidoka, on the other hand, means when there is a defect, the machine should have an intelligence to identify that and to raise an alarm. Right? We call it as automation or building some intelligence into the process or the machines. And if you look at Pokayoke, it focuses on eliminating the defects. That is, by preventing the defects from occurring. It's more a proactive approach. But on Jidoka, it is more like detecting. Right? Whenever there is a problem, it detects and creates an alarm or it stops the machine. So this is more a reactive approach. An example of a Pokayoke can be, and inserting a SIM card in the mobile phone. So you cannot put the SIM card in a wrong manner itself, because there is a chamfer in the SIM and there is an similar chamfer in the SIM card slot, so that the SIM card will exactly go and slot in that particular manner only. So there is no way you can make a wrong insertion in the mobile phone. On the other hand, Jidoka, an example can be a conveyor which stops when there is no load. An example can be your escalators in the airports and metros. Right? When there is no passenger in the escalator, automatically it stops, and whenever somebody steps on it, it starts moving. Right? So depending on the load, it works. So this can be an example of a Jidoka. Right? Whenever there is an abnormality or whenever there is a detection, it stops. Right? There is a power there is an intelligence that is built to that escalator, right, to identify whether the person is there or not. So this is an example of a Jidoka. And if you look at Pokayoke, there are multiple methods. There are three methods by which we can implement a Pokayoke, primarily on three levels, I would say. The first focus is on source inspection, that is eliminating the defects from arising, because we are going to focus on the source. Whenever there is a change in the process, the machine can identify it. That's called a source inspection. But in case we are not able to implement Pokayoke in the source, we have to go to the successive check and self-check. Meaning, the successive check means the next process will check the product, and if there is a problem, they will alert. So this successive check and self-check may resemble a Jidoka. Right? Whenever we are implementing a Pokayoke at the successive check and self-check area, right, that can be called as a Jidoka. But when you are implementing a Pokayoke in the source, right, in the source inspection area, it's called as a Pokayoke, because there is no defect which gets produced. But on the successive check and self-check, there are defects will get produced. At least one piece will get produced, then there is an alert. So this can be called as a Jidoka. So this is a similarity between Pokayoke and Jidoka. So Pokayoke and Jidoka, though they are very similar, Pokayoke focuses on eliminating the defects. Jidoka focuses on alerting the operator or stopping the process when there is a defect. So this is more a proactive, and that is more a reactive approach. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this particular video, please give a thumbs up to our videos, and you can also subscribe to our channel. You can share this video with your colleagues and friends so that they can also learn about Pokayoke and Jidoka. If you are interested in learning more about lean manufacturing, there are a lot of courses in our online portal. There is in fact a free course which is a 7-day program, which you can take and get the certification also. I have given the link of the courses in the description. Please check them out. Thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.